Here's how to simply see your Spotify Wrapped, or if it's not showing, here's how you can fix it. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go into the App Store. Just make sure Spotify is up to date. Once it is, you simply want to open up the app, and you can see right here in the very top of the screen, there's actually a Wrapped option. When you click on this, you can see basically what you're going to want to do is you click on the Your Stories option right here, and basically all of this stuff is different stuff that you can view from your Wrap. And you basically click on Let's Go, and you can actually click through the stories or just see the recap at the end. And basically, if you want to see the playlist for this year, basically what you can do is you click on the Your Top Songs right here, and you can see right here, it'll show you how many times you've actually listened to each song. And you can basically just save this playlist, which I highly recommend downloading and just saving, and basically share it with friends if you want to, or just send your reaction, send your slide to them like so. And you can see right here, all you need to do to share it is you click on the share, and you can send it to anyone on Spotify with Spotify messages, or through social media, just copy a link like so, and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like down below and subscribing because it's cold outside.